Breathe in all the light. Imagine how it spreads in you, and you will become the light. When you breathe out, imagine all the darkness going out, all the negativity going out, all the pain, all the sorrow, everything. And you fill yourself with light.